here in the arena in the fifth set coming up as we see the numbers of that fourth set from Anne.
Well, you see that in terms of attacks, 12 for both teams, blocks, 1 each team. Pero pagdating sa service, ito yung sinabi natin, mukhang bumaliktad because this time around, it's the Vietso Petro squad na nakakuha ng 5 service aces as compared to only 2 of the Lady Troopers. In terms of errors, halos pantay lang din naman. Pero this is the evident thing that we saw. They had a difficult time receiving in the fourth set.
And not only that, that was a giveaway from Tina Salak. And yun yung sinasabi kong danger with Tina Salak, you know. Sometimes she gets lost and loses her focus. She tries to get the point right away, and ang priority talaga ng setter is to set the ball to her attackers.
That's right. It was one wasted point.
Oo.
But let's see if they get a good reception.
Gumana na tong depensa ng Vietso Petro. Ayan nahuhuli na yung mga...
At kita mo yung galaw din, bumibili sa loob eh. They were pretty slow in the first 2 sets.
Let's see.
Smart move by Nastia. Off-speed shot. Look at this. Everyone was expecting a hard spike.
I know, ayun, nung napalampas sa blockers, wala nang kumuha. And I was telling you earlier, the first 3 plays, very crucial here in the fifth set. Yan, yung mga errors na ganyan, those are easy points. Right, look at the serve. And this one, Mayet Carolina having some problems. Biglang bumababa kasi yung mga ganong floater eh. So yung unang tansya mo, kung saan...
Hindi yun normally kung saan naglaland yung bola.
Torres with a better reception this time to Mayet, but it's dug up by the defense of Vietnam.
Same move that Nastia had to do. Alam niyang it was effective, and at this point, still no adjustment on the defense of the Lady Troopers.
Nanamlay itong depensa itong Lady Troopers, and I gotta give it to Vietnam. You know, they somehow found it in themselves, dig deep in themselves, you know, to hang on. Oh, that's too close. You're not gonna get that through against those 2 tall blockers.
This is experience for the Vietnam squad. Kita mo na itong dalawang Russians na napigilan kanina ng Philippine Army is stepping up.
And the crowd egging the Philippine Army squad to give it their all.
Now Tina Salak will be tasked to attack Yebrobi De Leon now.
Alright, so rotational substitution. Natatapatan na si M9.
Oh, look at that. No blockers there for Katia. Just like this, the score is 6-0.
Wow, this is not the fifth set that we were hoping for.
Ang sabi pa natin kanina, unahan dito sa fifth set eh. What you need is, it's supposed to be a peaceful battle actually. Kung maaari, palitan ng score, pero this would be a high mountain to climb.
Alright, the coaching staff should evaluate this lineup that they have in the floor, and so far it hasn't produced anything here in the fifth set. 7-0. You don't want to see this happen.
You know, this is really going to be a test of how the Philippine Army will handle this pressure of trying to get a point as we see an 8-0 para